Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.2.14 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10, 11 or servers. Okay, first go to VirtualBox official website and download it. Is virtualbox.was. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.2.14. Click on this Windows hosts. See, download started and its size is about 170 megabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then click on this exe file. Click on next. Select this radio button, that is I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click on next. This is the installation location. If you want some other, click on the change button and select the location. I am okay with the default, so click on next. This is just warning. Select yes. Missing dependencies, yes. Custom setup, I have to start, I want to all these startup options, so click on, so select them and click on next. Ready to install, click on install. We have successfully installed, and check this one, click on finish. Now open VirtualBox. You want to create new virtual machine, click on machine and select new, or if you want to open existing one, click on this open button. Okay, or just click on these, either of them. Okay, now we are going to install VirtualBox extension pack. Click on downloads again. See here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. If we go to here, click on these extensions. See here we don't have anything. Now click on this accept and download. See, download started. Download completed. Now click on this extension pack, click on install. See, these are the license terms. Scroll down, then click on I agree. Successfully installed. Go to extensions. See here we have the latest version. Okay, so we have successfully installed VirtualBox latest version 7.2.14 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.